Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon wishlist and share it. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to create Amazon wishlist and share it. So let's get started. So guys, to create Amazon wishlist, you have to simply open your Google Chrome and simply type in search bar Amazon and simply press enter. Now click on first link. So guys, here you can see our Amazon homepage. So guys, if I want to create the wish list, means that I want this smartwatch. So simply click on it. So to make wish list, scroll down and here you can see the option of add to list. So simply click on it. Now here you have to select create a list. Now type the name of list. I'm going to type here 20 startups and simply click on create list. Now after that you can see the option of view list. So simply click on view list. So guys, as you can see, our list has been created. So if you want to add more products in this list, first find the product. For example, I want to add this product in that list. So again, click on add to list. So here you can see this list 20 startups. So simply click on it. Now after that, simply click on view your list. So guys, as you can see, this is our list. So means that we have created our list. So to share this list, here you can see the option of send list to others. So click on it. Now here you can see two options, view only, view and edit. So I'm going to select view only. Now you can see two options, invite by email or copy link. So I'm going to click on copy link. I'm going to share this list with email. So simply open a new tab. Now open your gmail.com, click on compose. Now enter the email address of receiver. So I have entered here a demo email address. Now subject is wishlist. Now paste that link here. And after that simply click on send. So guys, as you can see, this email I have received. So click on it. So this is the link. So simply click on this link. So guys, as you can see a list. So means that we have create a wish list and share it. So guys, as you can see, we have create Amazon wish list and share it. So you can also create Amazon wish list and share it by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.